Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can put a SIM card into your Samsung A52s. The SIM card tray is just located up here, and it takes a nano SIM, which is this one here. So this one here is standard, this one here is micro, this one here is nano. You will often find on your SIM cards that they can be reduced down. So for example, a micro will become a nano by simply pushing out the middle bit there. You will also need a SIM removal tool, and the phone is currently off. If you haven't got a SIM removal tool, you can get away with a very thin screwdriver or a paper clip, but it's always best to use the SIM removal tool. So if you have a look at the phone, just at the top here, you can see there's a tiny little hole. That is where we are going to insert the SIM removal tool, just into here. And when you press down, you will see that the tray will just lift up a tiny bit and it will allow us to grab it. Same thing applies if you're using a paper clip or a little screwdriver. Push in, press down, and it will lift up. If it's not lifting up, it could be because it's dirty. Give it a clean, hopefully then it will lift up. Now if you have a look here, it allows us on this phone to actually install 2 SIM cards. So you might want to, for example, have 2 different phone numbers. This one here is for your SIM 1. So if you're just using the 1 SIM card, you will be putting it in here. This is where your SIM 2 would go. And if you wanted to extend the memory of your phone so you can store more videos, photos, etc., you can put a micro SD card in to that slot there. When you're extending your memory, you can only use the 1 SIM card. You can't have 2 SIM cards and this here. So most people will be just getting their nano SIM and they will be putting it in here that way round. You can see there's a little cutout here, there's a little cutout there. It will only go in one way. It will rest there like so. If you did want to put in 2 SIM cards, you would be putting your second SIM card just here. There's a little cutout there, and it would go in like that. So the gold contacts are just at the back here, but you can see it sits in that way. You can't put it in the wrong way around because it's simply not going to fit. So for the purpose of this video, we're just having the 1 SIM card here, and we're going to place it back in. Now, the hole remains on the phone on this one, so you've got to make sure you put it in the right way. The gold contacts are going towards the back of the phone, so it's going in this way. This is going towards the screen, and you simply push down. If you put it in the wrong way, it will only go so far. Do not force it. So if when you put it in, it's not going down far, it means you've probably got it in the wrong way. So do it this way here, and it will go in nice all the way to the bottom, and then you just push it home like so. And that is it. That is how to install the SIM card on your Galaxy A52s. Thanks for watching.